Hey Eric, my name is Janice Miller, and in this video, I'm going to show you 3 things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. You might be asking why making this video for business owners. We already found out a while ago that a lot of small business owners spending all their time taking care of their customers, and they really do not have time to learn how internet can benefit them and bring more customers. Sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone, they don't know who is an expert and who is not. I have found by giving people an easy free templates of actual things they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those local business owners still asking me, "Oh Janice, I would like you to take care of this for me." So if by the end of this video you like what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business with, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to use it by your own, by all means, that's okay. This is free education. So now let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition is content, backlinks, and citation. As I see your website here, it looks great, but it'll be better that you have a number in here that can click to call directly. And you do not have enough of contents because in Google I like to see at least 1500 words to 2000 words. And also depend on your competition too. Google like information, so your content need the right keywords, which able to be searched in Google when people looking for your service at your area. And also as I see that your photos, you do not have the right keywords in it too. So it's highly recommended to put in the right keywords in all your photos so they're able to be searched in Google for your website. And I'm using the keyword to search, which is plumbing in Baltimore, Maryland, and this is the Google guarantee, and this is the Google Map Pack. We call it as a citation. So a citation is anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google business profile. Citations help you to rank in this map pack here, which is extremely important for local business since this can generate huge amounts of revenue, especially when you are on top 1 here, you receive tons of call coming in. So how to be on top 1 here is that you have to register as many directories as possible, like Yelp, NG, Expertise, and there are thousands of it. Social media accounts are great too. The idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. The larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. Once Google sees you more often than these competitors, the more likely it is to rank you above them. So the next thing I would like to talk about is organic listing. So we have to be on these top 3 here. But of course, do not include the directories website. So for your top 1 competitors will be this Warrior Plumbing. So I'm using this program name RF here. This is your website. And UR is the power of your site in Google. DR is the trust of your site in Google. So both of these numbers here have to be in between 30 to 40. It'll be considered a strong site. So you have to boost a number here so that Google can trust you more. As for your backlinks, you have 303 and your referring domains is 100. So a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable or hyperlink text. These links act like endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. It's literally like a popularity contest where the person with the most wins people pointing at them. However, not all links are created equal, so it's worth nothing relevant to your industry and local website will work best, as you have 0 keywords in your site and 0 traffic for your site per month. So I'm going to show you a competition here, Warrior Plumbing. So as you see, their analytics is that they got a higher UR and DR as you, but it can be better if between 30 to 40. As for their backlinks, it is 869. Their referring domain is 210. As for their keywords, they have 688. And their monthly traffic per month for their site is 472, which means you miss out a lot of clients. So you can go after to your competition for their referring domains here. I copy their backlinks, looking at the high DR, which is like 35, 47, 31, because some are spammy links and some are more authoritative. So you need to go after more relative backlinks, which give you more authoritative that will send power to your site. So as for the keywords, you have to choose the right keywords to put it into, because the potential client, they were looking for the service, and they also the service they needed, and also the area they're looking for. So just like plumber is Baltimore, Maryland, this is a 300 search per month for these keywords. Baltimore plumber, 200 search per month for these keywords here. So they are 500, and plumbers Baltimore 400. So they are total 900, plumbers Baltimore 300. So they are 1,200. So these are the volume search every month that you are missing out on the keywords here. And this is the position of the keywords. So once your content, backlinks, and citations come together and you start to outgrow your competition, here what you might be looking at and why this is so worth it. So these are a few important things that you need to do on your website to increase more traffic and get more business in. Please do leave me some feedback on this video. If you have any question, you may reach out back to me. Thank you. Have a great day.